Hello everybody, this review is about the keyboard, or actually the wireless keyboard for the PlayStation 4. This is the box and there is the product information or instruction, and here's the product features. You can read it. You can pause the video and read it. And it's made in China actually. It comes with a micro USB for charging. And here's the keyboard. Oops. And here's the keyboard. There's the speaker. There's a speaker here. You can hear the voice chat through it. This one connects to the controller, audio jack. And there's the off-on button, Bluetooth pairing button. This is switch, not button. This is the button. Okay, this is audio jack and micro USB charging port and LED hole. There is an LED light indicator to tell you the charging situation or the pairing mode and other stuff. Okay, I'll use a controller. Just connect it like that. It's easy. Okay. The buttons or the keys are made from rubber, so it's comfortable to type with, not slippery. It's light, doesn't increase the weight a lot. I recommend it. I give it 6 out of 10. The things that I don't like about it, the keys are not backlighted, and I really play in the dark, and I really like the keys with the backlight or lighting up keyboards so you can read the letters or find your keys in the dark. I'm not a touch typist, so what else? This is the only thing I don't like about it. The other things, I wish the curve here was a little bit more curvy, so it will be more comfortable to hold, but it's good. I recommend it. It's not official by PlayStation, but I recommend it. And hopefully if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment and I will try my best to answer them. Thanks again, and see you in another video.